Hey, today I want to share with you how to get started with Blue. Once you click sign up, you will receive a special code to log in. At Blue, we use one-time password only method because it is the safest way for our customers. Enter the code and create your first company. If you've been invited to the company, please proceed to the project. If you're new to Blue, there's a few things you need to know. You need to get started with a company, and within the company, you have project. If you're the company owner or the member of the company, you can create as many projects as you want and use it as your workspace. Let me walk you through today some of our most used features and how it can help you and your business. Let's start with the homepage. Within the Blue homepage, you'll find recent active people, recent activities, and in case you're missing a deadline, we'll also remind you so you won't miss any work and keep the productive workflow. I'm walking you through the recent activity. In recent activity, you will find any activity that you might miss. Here, we'll show the new comments, new to-dos, new changes in real time from all of your projects that you're in. And in the sidebar, you'll find Mytodo, which is very important for your daily routine. You can come in here and quickly see what you need to get done. Within the Mytodo section, you'll also find the checklist items. Checklist items are the sub-to-do of your main to-do that you've been assigned to. Let's look at the calendar view. This calendar is for the company's calendar and it shows all of the to-do in the project that has the due date. You can also sync this calendar with your personal calendar like Outlook, Google Calendar, or iCalendar. Let's start by creating the first project on Blue and use the general template created by the Blue team. Once you have your project set up, you can also create your own template for your own company so that you and your other team members can use. Once you have created your first project, you'll see the default view, which is the board view, but you can easily switch between views like list, calendar, database, or map view. Within the board view, you can easily drag and drop the to-do to each state of the project. Each to-do has their own default fields, the title, the due date, the assignees, and tag. On your to-do, you can add due date, assign team members, add different tags, so that you can differentiate your priorities. Each to-do has their own description where you can add any necessary information you might need as well as checklist. You can add as many checklists as you want, link something to the checklist, break it down to multiple sections, and assign different or multiple team members to the checklist. To have your to-do more customizable, you can add custom fields. Custom fields allow you to customize your to-do by adding extra fields you might need. If you're running a sales CRM project, you might want to add phone numbers of your client, email address, files for any contract or document, and of course maybe budgeting as well. You can add as many custom fields you need, and all the custom field that's been added to the to-do will apply to all of the to-do within this project. Here's what you can do with the to-do. You can set it as repeat. Repeating to-dos allow the to-do to repeat by daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, depending on your setting. How to quickly see tasks without having to scroll. It is through filter. You can filter it out by assignees, due dates, tag. Not only that, you can filter through the default fields, you can also filter it by custom fields. In case you want to find that specific client, you can easily filter it out by custom field. Let me introduce you to our little blue bot, which is what we call automation. Here are some of the automation examples. When a new to-do is moved to another list, assign team members, set a due date. This example shows that whenever you move a to-do to another list, it will automatically assign a team member and give them a date to work on. The quick way to collaborate or communicate with team is through comments section within the to-do. There you can add mention, they receive an email notifications, or mobile desktop notification depending on their setting. Now let's switch into database view. Database view allows you to see all of your to-do at a glance. You can group your to-do by list, by tags, by assignees, or even by date. This way, in case you want to see your team members' tasks, you can quickly group it and you'll be able to see all the tasks that have been assigned to them from the database view. Database view also let you add the to-do directly, edit the to-do, can also customize the sizing to fit your workflow, assign or add tag without having to open the to-do. We can also switch to the calendar view, which is only showing the to-do that has a due date. So if you're a content planner, this is handy. You can also sync this calendar project to your personal calendar like Outlook, Google, or iCalendar. List view is where you see all the to-do at a glance, and you can easily mark your to-do complete in less than a second. Think of it as your personal checklist. Lastly, we have map view. Map view allows you to see the to-do that has a location pinned custom field. This way, you can see if there's any new addresses, project addresses. You can easily pin or type in the address to see it in a map view form. Once you complete each project and ready to start a new one, you can duplicate the project by pick and choose on what you want to copy across. Or simply turn the project into a template for you and your team to reuse it later. Every of your project has their own discussions, updates. How to use both of these features. You can post a discussion and everyone in the project can make comments, post fun GIFs, or even embed video into those discussions as well. Use update to let the team know what you're up to. We encourage you to post a daily update to let everyone know what you've done that day. I'm sure a lot of people know this, but if you're new to Blue has unlimited file storage, which means you can upload any files you want up to 5 GB per file. Now that you know, feel free to upload any documents, video contents you want for your team to quickly review those. Moving on to form features, our most loved features to gather any information from your clients, team members, or even do a quick survey. To build form, you can simply click Create Forms and start by drag and drop your default fields. Any form submission will go straight to the to-do, which means you can assign the team members or assign a list to receive those submissions. Now send it off by link or embed it to your website by using the HTML codes. Within the project, you can invite team members or clients to be a part of the process. Clients are allowed to create comments and to do, but not deleting other people's items or create new projects on Blue. Switching languages is easier than ever. With just a few clicks and you're able to turn Blue into your local language. You can also change your email address under your personal setting. You can change the blue color to any color you like, and if you're the company owner, you can also set the color for your entire company. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to get started with Blue. If you would like to watch the feature more in depth, you can check out our feature videos within the YouTube channel or reach out to us at help@blue.io.